Today, I'm going to let you know everything you could possibly want to know about the Wavytalk Pro hair dryer. This thing is absolutely awesome. There's lots of things I've never even thought about when it comes to a hair dryer that they covered. Comes in this box right over here. Super nice, super giftable. We'll talk about everything right now. Now, this has three different speeds. You got a low, a medium, and a high, and then three different heat speeds. And the heat speeds are really, really cool. So, one of my favorite parts about this is it's magnetic. So you don't have to screw anything on. You also get this diffuser piece right over here. This is great for curly hair. Obviously, I do not have curly hair, but if you did have curly hair, it's really nice. You just pop that off just like that. Pop that on and you are good to go. You don't have to worry about trying to screw anything in or anything like that. Not that there's anything wrong with that, but it's just nice to have these two magnetic pieces right over here. This is exactly what it looks like. If you don't like this color, it comes in other colors as well, so don't worry about that. So, a couple of cool features right over here. We got this, so you got this is what it's like on the top right over here, and you'll notice there are different colors here. This is one of the coolest features about this hair dryer right here. You have the option to cycle through. So that's going to be the cool setting. This is the medium, the purple setting, and then the red is going to be the hot setting. So if you wanted to kind of just go through, you didn't want it super hot, you kind of wanted a little medium, you can see it's really moving. This is on speed 1. It's a really great option for you. Now, you also have the option to just hold one of this down just like that. And now you could do cold. This is going to be medium and hot. You could use this. This does have a hot shot as well. This is really hot right now. So if you just hit this cool button right over here, it goes to cool instantly just like that. So you don't have to worry about this getting way too hot. There's nothing worse than doing the hair drying. You're just like, oh my God, it's so hot. And then it doesn't get down enough for you. This, you don't have to worry about that. This is kind of what it is on the highest speed right over here. Really, really, you can see it, what it's doing to my hair, giving it a really nice fluffy look over here. And then again, if it got too hot for me, I could just turn that, I could just hit this right over here, hold that down, and let it cycle through, kind of like that hot, medium, or cool, or just cool it down right away, just like this. A couple other cool things I want to show you about this. So we're going to take a look from over here. So now every once in a while, there will get hair that is going in here. So what you could do here is you just turn that off. You could go in here, take whatever hair you want out, and then you could literally just you just want to make sure it clicks, and then you're gonna lock it in just like that. Make sure it lines up, and then you twist it there. You'll see right over here there's like a button over here, so that's like unlock, lock. So you want to make sure that is locked. For the back, same idea here. You could literally just unscrew this, pop that off, and then put it back on. This is magnetic as well, so that is really nice. It makes it super easy to clean. I know sometimes it's a little hard to kind of like screw these on, figure that stuff out. But having it be magnetic is one of my favorite parts. Another nice part about this, it does have dual air intake. So this is going to help cool your, dry your hair much faster. It says up to 5 times faster, which is nice. In terms of size on this, it's really compact and small. It's about, let's call it right over here. We're looking at about 9 inches to kind of the end over here, 10, and then kind of going like over here to the end is 6, and then with this off, it's going to be about 4. It's super lightweight, which is a pro for me. Sometimes you get a hair dryer, it's like so big, it's bulky. This is none of that. Another nice feature is this cord right here. This cord is about 6 feet long, so you don't have to worry about being super close to an outlet when it comes to that. This does, which is nice. This is 120 volts, as well. Just really overall a really great hair dryer. Again, the magnetic pieces on this is great, and also the fuser is very nice. And I like the fact that it just comes in this box right over here, and I'll show you kind of, you can store it however you want. we tend to just put it right back in the box right over here. So you're just gonna put your piece right just like this. Make sure it's cool, obviously, and then you could just put this right over there, and then the cord tucks down underneath here. This would obviously, and you can see this is what the cord looks like right over here. So you have that as well, and you would just kind of pack that in just like that, and then you would just tuck your cord right underneath. And again, this would make a great gift as well. So if you're looking for a great hair dryer that has 3 different speeds, 3 different heat settings, the hot shot right away, and then the coolest feature, it cycles between hot, medium, and cool, so you don't have to worry about it at all. Definitely check this out. This thing is absolutely awesome. Super light. You don't have to worry about your arm hurting from holding it. And the nice feature that it dries kind of 5 times faster will help you out not having to hold it. And you also got that diffuser if you have curly hair. And a huge thank you to the brand for sending this over so I could do this review.